Welcome to quickmeproject.com. Let us see the title of the project: Offloading of Media Transcoding for High Utility Multimedia Services. Let us see the abstract of the title. The demanding of the high utility multimedia services handheld devices increased into the advanced consumer electronic technology we are using. The offloading technique, we have the unload for the internet connection to transcoding the videos. The transcoding videos we have using to the streaming for the media and the receiving to the format of the conversion. So first of all, we have the storage capacity and the conversion details will be using for the medias. We have the MPEG format we have using to the convert regions to DLL. So we have using the implementation for the DLL, the supporting to the devices. Also the video conversing, so all the mobile devices also we have including to the devices combinations. This is the power consumption, everything will be the storage details will be maintained to all the process for the video transcoding. The transcoding embedded for the conversion for the types. First of all, each in frames wise we have converting. This is offloading easily approach to the devices capacity. So first of all, we have including the transcoding main to add your videos, then conversion procedures, then output procedure will be calculated for the DLL for the decoding DLL. The decoding DLLs we have encode the streaming process for the media. The data translations we have which format to use it to direct to the transcoding. The format will be converting and the location will be transferred. The transfer result will be generating for the format and the analysis to the format result will be compressed. The video coding input is the video coding, then output is the video coding. So the lively we have transcoding to the video conversions will be successful for the decode DLLs. The capacity of the DLL any format to getting the input for the users, then output for the similarity of the transcoding input output. The input is the VLL. For example, the input is the MP4 format, the output is the AGL format. Suppose you need to the MP4 format to easily convert to the ratio for the offloading. If not need to the internet connections, we need to the internet security. We not need to the internet security. Then we have using to the decode conversion for the MPEG models. We have integrated into the .NET. This is the .NET project. We need the C#.NET and we have the SQL Server 2005. The implementation needed to the .NET application we have easily to process. Let us see the flow of the diagram. First of all, we start the process to select the video file for the conversion stage. The conversion stage, the frames wise patterns will be displayed for the video. The user the frames wise, we declare the frames wise, easily converting the format for the converting format we have declared to the mobile also, Android also any format to the mobile devices also. We have using to them all the type of converters with the audio signal ranges using to that one. This process we have helping for the frames wise easily converting to the offloading approach. The finally converting the result will be stored for the any path to any location to the user. The converting location we have checking to the final result for video conversion offloading. And the getting the result of the conversion video format we mentioned to the user path. The user path is easily converting to the offloading models to convert the transcoding for the videos. Then finally stop the process. Let us see the demo of the process. This is the starting page of the offloading phases. The frames will be added, removing the task or the clearance and start and post details. So this is the text clearance for the details for the what are using to the process to the details. First of all, clicking the add file. I clicking the add file for the VLC format. I choose the VLC format for the video. I click the open format. The open format, the elevation for the DLL conversions. So only for you, the next forms will be loaded. The output format will be loaded for the frames. This page is the preview for the loaded videos. First of all, we set to the set start videos. We will be starting position. Just moving the frames for the video. I will click the move for the end video. I need to the full video conversion. I will checking that. Set the videos for the conversion. If you needed to the next frames whatever needed, you click that one. You click the next frames. The frames will be moved for the video conversion. So if we have easily to the identify for the ratio of the frames conversion for the offloading. So only we have using the frame wise, we have using the conversation. Next we go to the source and file media. The output format we have generating for the iPad. So the audio channel, so the audio bitrate, the video frames and video bitrate. The normal VCD or SVD is a DVD. We checking the process for that one. Next the audio source, the audio encoder and video frame rate and the video encoder. This format we have checking to the process for the transcoding models. First of all, the output format is the main format, the AVA, mobile application, and also all the format we have checking that. So I will need it to the format for this. Is now loading to the VLC format. I will click to the format. I need to click the format. I will click to the MP4, MP3 format. So the MP3 format we have organization to the audio channel. If you like to the audio for mono, stereo, anything like that, you choosing that one. So everyone the video frames conversation model. This is the video frame size. So a lot of sizes we have them. I will the web size for the 630 and 480 needed. The video bitrate is original or need to the size ranges will be different. I will checking to the 12,800 ranges we have bitrated. I will checking to the auto original format for the video conversation. Next to the VCD format or the DVD format, I will check into the audio format because this here we have the normal format for the audio. We have accept for the all the singles. Once you check into the VCD, and VCD only for playing the video. The audio sample ranges, we checking. Auto format will be recognized for the preview for the VLC formats. Video recognition will be accepted. The audio encoder, we need the ACC or AC3 and the flag MP3. Suppose you need the flag MP3, it will be converting for the encoder. The video frame rate, the rate for the video, each and every process. I will checking to the audio format for the video recognition. If you need to choose the video frames, it's easily to converting the frame size for the 10 rate. I will change to the audio format. The video encoder devices the XVD, the X64. The auto format we have using same procedure for the video. It will be conversion easily for the same rate of the existing video. I clicking the OK process of added, the file duration or the file size will be read. The output file name, the output file will be located for this format. So next we have starting the procedure. The status of the starting procedure will be converting. I will start the procedure. The progress will be needed and the conversion time needed and the converting type. File sizes will be read. The any status will be uploading. The status will be noted for this set of file. File has been added to the convert list. Then the process will be finished for the 100% will be finished. So the file finished. If you click the remove process, the automatically display the remove process and clearing. The file will be removed. The output of the format with the VLC conversations, CC author length and MP3 format will be converted easily. So the MP4 format, MP3 format will be converting this resolution. So this format resolution is the AVI format, VSL. Now we have changing to the MP3 format and the specification also on the size regions will be everything will be the transcoding. So using the bitrate size for the 128 ranges, the data modification for date and time will be displayed. This bitrate frame rate 28 frames we have needed. The bitrate cannot be shown that one. The data rated is the conversion result will be exact matching to the reducing for the file sizes. Everything will be reducing size. The file will be playing for authorized to the format. So the format easily to transcoding for the method using to the streaming process. The streaming process we have using to the output format. The output format we have organization for the format, the FPS converting time, everything will be read for the format ranges. We have using to the DLL for the decoding the impact models. The impact models will be degenerating and the de-stemming process to the video. This is a similar work for the need to the offloading model. The offloading model checking to the process to. Thank you.